It's a 5-over match. And ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome each one of you to the final of women's team. Friday when these two teams met, the score was 1-all. And this time she the wicketkeeper to the fielder, and then she realized that I need to be at the wicket. And it's a wide delivery. But beautifully fielded by Saili. That would have been 4 more runs had she not gathered the ball.
Actually, Saili's really worked on her wicket keeping today. We can see that she's saving a lot of runs. That's another cracker, and that's another 4. Oh, that's a It's 20 runs at the loss of 1 wicket.
And you know what? Now we have Priyanka bowling the 3rd over. So far both the teams have bowled really well, and then scored brilliantly. It's a nice contest between the bat and the ball. The next ball, Ankita could not connect. It's a dot ball.
Cheered by the entire team. That dot ball was cheered by the entire team. Connects! Shweta's running for it. Avni stops it well, returns it back to the bowler's end.
Nishad, look at the commitment. She knew that Avni was there. In spite of that, Shweta ran for the cover. That's how determined the women are today.
Swings, but misses. They are cheering every dot ball. Shweta stops it. Only 1 run. The score is?
Shweta is everywhere. It seems the bowler is following Shweta and she's fielding it brilliantly. Let's see another ball.
Another connect, but there's a fielder. She fumbles, but she recovers. She throws the ball.
And the team can only get 1 run.
30 runs on the board. Wrapped in the pads. Last ball of this over.
It's the last ball of the over.
Connects.
And I don't think anybody needs to run. Only
Somebody has to
the
get
ball
the ball
boy
back.
will run and collect the ball because it's a beautiful shot.
It's a no ball.
So with this no ball, 3 runs have been added because both of them sneaked 1 run. And what a fielding by Avni.
Avni is actually taking training from Smriti Mandhana.
The last 3 balls of the inning. It's a no ball. 2 runs have been added.
नहीं मेरे को प्राइवेसी कार्ड स्कोर क्या होगा
44 हो गया इसके वजह से
अच्छा
लाइट है ना अभी सूरज की वजह से नहीं दिख रहा है देखो
एक मिनट
What a save! What a save by Avni! The entire player who are there on the ground. Please applaud the fielding of Avni.
for Avni for some great fielding. What a player!
1 2 लास्ट बॉल है
The last ball of the inning.
Lady Jaunty is what Balaji says. Swings! Avni! Avni in action again! She saved important runs for her team. That's,
खतरनाक था उसके पहले वाले से अरे बोलना कुछ शुरू
ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Avni once again for some remarkable fielding effort.
Sujay, if we have time in hand, we need one trophy for the best fielder.
All right, so that is the end of the innings. While the players change, we call upon the captain of the final team, Warriors and Heroes.
And Avni, because of your fielding effort, Team Warrior needs you because we've been dropping a lot of catches.
All right, so being of the Warriors, Sonu Kure, and the captain of the Heroes, Sudhir. DJ, make some noise.
Where is my coin? Where is my coin? अभी इससे कर ये जीतेगा तू. No. Okay, requesting.
We are requesting all the senior members to come and facilitate this toss, please. Come, everybody. Sita.
The moment you said senior, Vijay was like, I
don't
moment you
qualify.
said senior, Vijay was like, others please walk. I am behind because I am not the one who's the senior here. Okay, I would request Shweta to please join us for the toss.
Okay, before the toss, can we take a picture?
Absolutely.
There. All right, let's take a picture. The photographer is right here. Thank you. All right. So, where's the coin? There. All right. Sita's gonna toss the coin. There is tails. There is heads. Who's gonna call? All right. So Sudhir's gonna call. Tossed. Tails, and it is tails. Heroes have decided to bowl, and Warriors are going to bat. Great. While these two teams prepare, we go back onto the field.
The first ball, the Avani, it's 4. So another full toss delivery from Poonam. And the single from Avani. It's a 2 ball, 5 runs.
It's in the air.
It's
Anusha stops it with one hand.
And it's a single for Priyanka.
What a good shot by Avni!
It's over the square
Over
leg.
the fielders. We're looking at the air it is. We're looking at the umpires and umpires confirm that is a 4.
The 5 square leg, and it's a good shot and the shot of the length, and Savani took the chance and hit it towards the square leg and for 4 runs.
He's already in the first over. 14 runs of how many deliveries? 5 deliveries. That's the last ball of the over. It is over negotiated. So end of over 1, 14 for no loss. Avni smashed 3 fours in this over. May I have the bowler's name? Who? Monica to bowl the second over. Monica in readiness. Priyanka Patel is ready. Oh, that's a wide.
The 2 runs.
So 2 runs added.
Players on the offside, there is a gap. It's a huge gap in the offside for Priyanka to play the shot.
Ah, that's a dot ball. The Pink Panthers are not cheering the dot balls. Oh! There was an inside edge, we could all hear it, but it went to the keeper with after a bounce.
भैया ढूंढ रहे भैया
Good over.
भैया भैया बोल रहे हैं
Hits! Aditi does well, throws it back to Monica.
It's a single from Priyanka.
Avni back on strike.
डेड बॉल
That's a no ball, no ball.
Shamika is the keeper.
Shabika is the keeper, does really well.
It's a no ball. From,
This is the last ball. Tries to cut it. At the end of the second over, the score is 19 runs.
19 runs.
28 needed of 18 deliveries. Bowler is Ankita.
Yes.
Another no ball.
It's a single from Priyanka.
Driven straight past the first fielders. The second fielder, Ankita, does well in the boundary. 2 runs to the board. Swings directly to Poonam. Poonam does well to collect that ball.
Actually, the Poonam is the good fielder. She's not fielder. She's the good fielder, the good batter, and the bowler too.
Oh, that was what a good ball! What a good ball! Only if Priyanka was able to connect to that.
1 to go, हाँ 1 to go.
Oh, these dot balls are going to add pressure for the big Red Wings.
And it's over.
End of the over. End of 3 overs. We are at 25 runs. So in 12 balls we need 22. 22 needed of 12 balls. Anusha is the new bowler.
There is a huge confusion between the players whether to run or not. 11 गेंदों में 22 रन चाहिए. Offside में
Poonam
कोशिश
smelling
कर
a win
सकते हैं.
here.
मालूम पड़ गया आप पे मारेंगे तो
कितना कितना चाहिए अभी 10 बॉल में Oh, that's dropped! But does that cross the boundary line? We'll wait for the umpires to. That is a boundary!
Run. And it's a boundary from Avni.
A well-needed boundary for her team. They were 9 balls, 16 required. 9 balls, 16 required. Again, she swings. Poonam does well to
It's
keep
again-
it to a single.
It's once
15
again a good
of
fielding
8.
by Poonam.
15 of 8. Hits. 14 of 7. This is the last ball of this delivery. This over, sorry. Avni goes over the top. There's nobody behind the wicket. They make 2. That's the end of the over. That brings it to 12 runs in 6 balls.
I think it's very easy to get 6 ball, 12 runs is not a tough one.
The thing is, Avni is on the non-strikers end right now, and
Avni is-
Priyanka is on the strikers end.
Yeah.
Priyanka really needs to connect. And Poonam is going to bowl this crucial over.
Is there any batting power play applicable?
Every over is a power play here.
So in this batting power play, I think all the fielders should next to the stump.
There's a
There is a
discussion happening.
discussion
Shweta
happening.
goes up to Avni and gives her a strategy plan.
It's a
Team
6.
development right there.
They need more waters.
Somebody please get the water for the players. Quickly. This is the last over. 6 balls, 12 runs needed.
It's really a good run chase by Red Wings. 35 no loss. It's a good opening partnership. And there are more players waiting for the turn to hit the run. Hopefully they don't get the chance because the Avani and Priyanka will finish the match off in style.
They still have a very strong batswoman in Saili who can come down 1 down after the loss of first wicket.
One is from Gujarat and one is from Maharashtra. Both are Patel. Patel sisters.
The Patel partnership.
Patel's partnership.
The Patel partnership. This is all about business.
They talk business, they love business. Laka is watching at the boundary. Jaldi se request
Shakalaka
women,
says,
please.
move on,
हमारे एक
ladies.
final-
Let's get this game going. Thank you,
men's का एक
Shakalaka.
final बाकी है. और
All right. Last over. Poonam to bowl the final over. 12 runs, 6 balls. Priyanka to take strike.
a very, very high voltage. Match is going on. It's a good run chase. So 12 needed in 6 runs.
Poonam is the. It's not Poonam, it's Shamika.
Shamika.
Shamika to bowl the final over. Let's go.
Bhagtere. That is a command from Shalaka.
So 11 of 5. Hits in the open area. Oh,
And it's a 4.
it's a 4.
Good shot by Avni towards the car.
7 of 5. 6, 4, 7 of 4. 7 of 4 deliveries. 7 more runs of 4 deliveries.
It's very easy to get 7 runs in 4 balls and Avani is strike.
Again in the open area.
Another,
Will this be a 4?
another 4 runs.
3 of 3. Monica area.
Yeah, it's an Avani show. It's a 3 required.
Let's see what happens. 3. Leg! And that's a 6!
And it's a a 6 and it's a won by Red Wings.
Red Wings have won this match without losing a wicket.
And the women's final.
And the captain. And it's a 50-run partnership as well. The Patel partnership reaches 50.
And it's a big win for Red Wings in this year SPL 24-25. And the final winner